And welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea with me, Victoria. So in today's video I'm going to be discussing our green ocean, seagrasses and mangroves and their interconnectivity with coral reefs and how important they are. So this is just a little bit introduction into our green ocean, about seagrasses, mangroves, what they are and what they do, and why blue carbon habitats are important. I hope you enjoy the video and learn something new. If you've got any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and comment down below. And if you would like to, please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all your support. I love you all. I can't really do that with tea, but I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Cheers.
Our green ocean, mangroves and seagrasses. So what are mangroves? Mangroves are a type of tree that grow in coastal saline or brackish waters. They have numerous thick roots that grow above ground. What are seagrasses? Seagrasses are grass-like plants that live in the sea. They are the only flowering plants that grow entirely underwater. Blue carbon habitats. Mangrove forests and seagrass meadows make up underwater forests known as blue carbon habitats. Just like rainforests on land, these capture or sequester carbon dioxide and trap it for thousands of years. Blue carbon is what we call the carbon locked away by these ocean habitats. Threats facing blue carbon habitats. Blue carbon habitats are threatened by coastal development, unsustainable fishing, climate change, deforestation and pollution. Destruction releases stored carbon back into the ocean and atmosphere, increasing the speed of global warming. Coral reefs are also found near blue carbon habitats, and they are home and relied upon by around 25% of all marine life. About mangroves. Mangroves prevent coastal erosion, store large quantities of carbon, and are a perfect nursery for marine life. Mangroves may help fight coral bleaching. Coral reefs are the foundation of marine life. They are vital for our oceans. Young corals grow among mangrove roots, and healthy mangrove forests could provide shelter for coral species at risk of extinction from coral bleaching. Furthermore, mangroves may even play a role in reducing ocean acidification, which in turn helps prevent coral bleaching. Once mangroves are gone, they simply can't be replanted. Mangroves hold the coastline in place, giving it its shape. Once they are gone, the land erodes and tides and currents reshape the coastline, making it difficult or impossible for mangroves to go back in their former habitats. Mangroves store more carbon than terrestrial forests. They have the capacity to take far more carbon out of the atmosphere than terrestrial forests. A patch of mangroves could absorb as much as 10 times the carbon of a similarly sized patch of terrestrial forest. Here is a model showing how mangroves can help protect our coastline. You see the waves and how they are virtually non-existent by the time they reach the shore. Seagrasses are a very important food source and habitat for wildlife, supporting a diverse community of organisms including fish, octopuses, sea turtles, shrimp, oysters, sponges, sea urchins, anemones, clams and squid. Some seagrass meadows can bury carbon 35 times faster than the same area of rainforest. Seagrasses have also been called the lungs of the sea because they release oxygen into the water through photosynthesis. The grasses help lessen the effects of strong current and also provide concealment and a place for eggs and larvae to attach. These factors make seagrasses a good nursery area for many fish and invertebrates, including commercially important fish species. Their leaves and stems also provide food for herbivores like sea turtles and manatees. Plankton, algae and bacteria grow on seagrass stems, providing food for additional organisms. Dead seagrasses also provide food for decomposers like worms, sea cucumbers, crabs and filter feeders. Seagrasses can also improve water quality by trapping sediments, absorbing nutrients and stabilizing sediment within their roots. Coral reefs, seagrasses and mangroves often have a synergistic relationship which leads to coastal environmental stability. Mangroves and seagrasses stabilize the sediments, slow down the water movements and trap the heavy metals in nutrient-rich runoff. thus improving the water quality for corals and fish communities. They also enhance the biomass of coral reef fishes by providing nursery habitats. Coral reefs, in turn, stabilise the seascape by buffering ocean currents and dissipating wave action, and favour the colonisation of mangroves and seagrasses. Thank you for watching Our Green Ocean, Mangroves and Seagrasses. I hope you've enjoyed the video and learnt something new. If you have, remember to hit like and comment down below, as well as any questions you may have. Thank you very much for watching.